So we are on next section, set up data for character NFTs. What's an NFT? Be sure to read this to give a little premiere before moving. Okay, so what is this? Okay, we have already, you can read this, we have already seen in our NFT tutorial introduction about the NFT. So let's uh, get with it. The next topic, that how we are going to use playable NFTs. Cool. We're going cool. We have got all our basic environment stuff set up. Let's take a step back to kind of explain this game we are making at a higher level again. The goal of our game will be to destroy a boss. Let's say that boss has 1 million HP. What players do is when they start the game, they meet the character NFT. There's a certain amount of attack damage and HP. Players can order their character NFT to attack the boss and deal damage to it. Kind of like Pokemon. The goal, players need to work together to attack the boss and bring its HP down to zero. The catch, every time a player hits the boss hits the player back. If the NFT HP goes below zero, the player's NFT dies and they can't hit the boss anymore. Players can only have one character NFT in their wallet. Once the character NFT dies, it's game's over. That means many players need to join forces to attack the boss and kill it. If you want our players to be able to hold multiple characters in their wallet like Pokemon, feel free to make the modification on your own. The important thing to know here is that the characters themselves are NFTs. So when a player goes to play the game, to connect their wallet, our game will detect that they don't have a character NFT in their wallet. Well, let them choose a character and mint their own NFT character NFT to play the game. Each character NFT has its own attributes stored on NFT directly, like HP, attack damage, the image of the character, etc. So when the character is HP hit 0, it would say HP 0 on the NFT itself. This is exactly how the world's most popular NFT games work. We're going to build ourselves. What we need to do was basically set up our minting NFT code, because without that players can't even get into our game to play. So let's set up the data for our NFTs.